Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I want to bring you guys a tip tutorial style video. This is going to be on my personal favorite rig to use when the fishing gets really tough and it's really slow. This rig I call the two-course meal. So what the two-course meal is, it is a drop shot Ned rig combo. So you have a drop shot worm up on the top floating around, and then on the bottom, instead of a drop shot weight, you have a Ned rig. This is a great rig for when the fish are super pressured or it's really slow, because you're getting the best of both worlds. Because we all know the Ned rig is a legendary finesse bait, and we also know the drop shot is a legendary finesse bait as well. So you're getting the best of both worlds with fishing a Ned rig on the bottom and having a drop shot on top. It gives the bass two choices to eat. So all you're going to need for setting this rig up is your favorite drop shot hook. This is a Gamakatsu drop shot hook. And your favorite Ned rig head. This is just a 1/10 ounce Ned rig head from Z-Man. And then obviously your favorite Ned rig. This is a TRD Craw in green pumpkin. And your favorite drop shot worm. This is a Robo Worm 4.5 inch straight tail in the Morning Dawn color. So to start off with setting up this rig, you're going to put the drop shot hook on first. I posted a video on how to rig a drop shot. For the knot that I'm going to use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description of the drop shot tutorial that I posted, so you guys can see how I tie a drop shot hook on. So let's get this hook tied on. Also, don't mind all the noise in the background that you guys are possibly hearing. I have some ATV shop right behind me, and they're riding the quads around at the moment. Anyways, once you get that hook tied on there, you're going to want to bleed probably about 18 inches of lead. First of all, so you can play with the different lead length between your Ned rig and your drop shot hook, but also so you have enough line to be able to tie that Ned rig head on. So now that we have the drop shot hook on, let's tie the Ned rig head. Alright, so once you have everything all tied on, I don't know if you guys can see that, you're going to have your drop shot hook right there and your Ned rig on the bottom. A general solid lead length is about 1 foot between either your drop shot weight or Ned rig head and your drop shot hook. So next, all we got to do is put the plastics on and then get to fishing. Alrighty, so we're all rigged up. We got the drop shot worm going to the Ned rig. I'm gonna get on some fish now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to go down, hit the like button, the subscribe button, share it with your friends or anyone who's new to fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna quit rambling on now, and I'm gonna go get on some fish. So I'll see you guys in the next video.